liquidity. Okay, nataka uelewe kwa sababu market ina move kufuata liquidity. So what is liquidity? Stay on this video up to the end ili uweze kuelewa what is liquidity na kwa nini market ina move kwa kufuata liquidity. Okay, so first of all lazima uelewe liquidity ni nini ili tuweze kuendelea, kwa sababu hili somo la leo is all about liquidity. So what is liquidity? Right here a question. What is liquidity? Okay, what is liquidity? So what is liquidity? Okay, so we'll say the answer. Okay, the answer is liquidity is the resting order. Okay, resting order. So liquidity is resting orders, aka hii napenda kuiweka mimi aka stop losses, but they don't call it, but mimi nasema aka stop losses. So stop losses au resting orders ndio vitu ambavyo vina move market. Okay, ndo vitu ambavyo vina move market. So now tutakwenda kuangalia in depth what is stop losses or what is this resting orders. Okay, so allow me to move this on this side so that haituharibi mpangilio wetu right here. Okay, so unatakiwa ukumbuke all the time kwamba whenever you place a stop loss, it means you provide a liquidity to the market. If the trade is going, if the trade went against you, it means your stop loss money is the liquidity to the market. So areas where people wanna put hizi stop loss kwa wingi ndio areas ambazo market inataka kwenda, kwa sababu ndio area ambayo inakuwa ina money, ina pesa. Okay, so kama nilivyokuambia, hii ni sehemu ya pili ya market structure. Kama ulikuwa uliangalia video ya kwanza ambayo tulikuwa tumezungumzia about change of character and reversal, jinsi ya kugundua change of character and reversal. Uliangalia hiyo kwenye sehemu ya kwanza. Kwa hiyo kwenye sehemu hii tunakuja kuangalia about liquidity, tuweze kuelewa what is liquidity and how liquidity ina move market, kwa sababu liquidity ndio ecosystem ya market, whether you like it or you don't. Okay, so kila mtu ana namna yake ya ku-analyze market, but if you follow me, I will teach you my own way of analyzing markets. Okay, so for me, napo analyze markets always I combine like 4 days. Okay, I combine like 4 days like this. Okay, and why I combine 4 days? Because ukiangalia hapa, this is the first day. Okay, ambayo hii ilikuwa ni Wednesday, Jumatano, and this one here is the second day, ambapo hii ilikuwa ni Alhamis, and the third one is here ambayo ni Ijumaa right here. Okay, this one is Friday, and today is Monday, which is this day here. So we don't touch this day because hii siku ndo kwanza haina muda mrefu tangu imeanza, so bado haijatupa really direction where it's going. But for these 3 days, these are complete days, so kuna data ambazo tunaweza tukazitumia kwenye hizi siku 3 zilizopita kuweza kudetermine kwa siku ya leo market itaelekea upande gani. Alright, so that's the mindset behind 3 days. Okay, so I will remove these lines so we have clear charts. Okay, so first of all, kitu cha kwanza kabisa unatakiwa identify highs na lows za kila day. Okay, So for example, if I choose this cycle, you see, so I have hii siku ya Ijumaa, siku ya Alhamis na siku ya Jumatano. So ukiangalia hapa kwa siku ya Jumatano, hii ndio ilikuwa high kwenye Tokyo hapa. Hii ndio ilikuwa high, na kwa sababu ni high nitabadilisha rangi, nitaweka blue na nitaduplicate hii. Unaweza nikafanya nika choose again, nikaja nika label low. Where is the low? Here is the low. Okay, this is low. Alright, so I will label it red. Are you following me? Okay, so for the next day ambayo ilikuwa ni Thursday, hii ndio ilikuwa high on Thursday. Okay, I will change the color again so we stay clear, and I will duplicate this, mambo hii yawe rahisi. Duplicate this and label low, this low. Okay, so hii ndio ilikuwa low siku ya Alhamis. So moving on, nikiduplicate hii kuja siku ya Ijumaa. Siku ya Ijumaa ni hii hapa, na kwa siku ya Ijumaa hii ndio ilikuwa low. Okay, hii ndio ilikuwa low siku ya Ijumaa na high ilikuwa hapa juu. Okay, high was right here. Okay, so we don't touch siku ya Jumatatu hii kwa sababu hii ndio siku ambayo, hii ndio trade today. This is today, so this is the trade. So hiyo ni hatua ya kwanza. After analyzing highs and lows, what next unakuja kuzi connect these highs na low. Unaziconnect hivi. Mimi nimefind a good way to connect them ambayo inasaidia kuokoa muda. Like if I take this arrow, so tunasema tuna Jumatano, Alhamis na Ijumaa. So we say kutoka Jumatano right here kuja Alhamis, price ilikuwa ni bearish. Okay, price ilikuwa ni bearish. Why? Kwa sababu hii ndio high ya siku iliyopita, na hii na siku iliyofuata price imeenda chini. Maana yake this is low. You see, hili eneo liko blank. It means from this day to this day price was bearish. Maana yake price ilikuwa ina go down. Okay, so kutoka sasa Jumanne, hii Jumaa ngapi? No, from Thursday, kutoka Alhamis kwenda Ijumaa, we see here market was trending upwards. Okay, market was trending upwards. So kutoka Alhamis kwenda Ijumaa, market was bullish. Okay, so kuna hizi noises in between ambazo natamani sana don't pay attention to these noises. See, for example, kwenye hii move ya kutoka Jumatano kuja Alhamisi, you can see kuna hizi a lot of movement, like, you know, price ilienda high, ikaja low, ikaenda hivi, you understand? Okay, let me use another. This is a bit. So you see all these movies. You see all these movies. Understand? All of these, they don't really matter kwa sababu kinacho matter ni hii movement from here down to here. So what happened in between is we call internal movement. Okay, so and from here price ikashoot kuja right here. So nikwambia somo la leo, it's all about liquidity. Okay, so price ina move kufuata liquidity, na tunasema kwamba liquidity ni resting order au stop loss. For example, price from this day ilikuwa iko hapa, this was the high, okay, this was the high. So kama hii ndio ilikuwa high, it means right here on the top here, on the top of this high here there is a lot of liquidity, there is a lot of resting order right here, kwa sababu when price ilipofika at this area here na ku reject hii area, so many people they entered for a sell right here, okay, so they put their stop loss right here, maybe they put their take profit down here. For example, let me show you. For example, here you say, okay, now we have this rejection, maybe you say now market is falling down, okay, so most people will enter here like this, okay, maybe they will take probably they put maybe take profit down here a bit, maybe 1 to 2, and then they will put their stop loss maybe around this area here, okay. So in this area here, kwa sababu ni swing high, so there is a lot of stop loss people, wengi wameweka their stop loss right here, so this area is so variable, okay. So market ina tabia ya ku move kufuata these areas like this, okay. So tuna expect kwamba the next day ambayo ni hii hapa itakuja either ku take this high, okay, let me label this again, sababu haya mambo yanataka umakini. So hii ni siku ya kwanza na hii ndio ilikuwa high na hii ndio ilikuwa low, hii ndio ilikuwa low ya siku ya kwanza right here, okay. So kuondoa confusion nitaondoa hii kwa sababu nilikuwa natolea mfano, okay. So hii ndio ilikuwa high na hii ndio ilikuwa low. Kwa hiyo kama hii ndio low, maana yake hapa chini pia kuna a lot of resting orders, it means stop losses, okay, stop losses. So down here also kuna resting orders, okay, kuna resting orders kwa sababu baada ya market kufika hili eneo na kureject, most people wali enter here wakaweka stop loss zao here kubai kwenda juu. So the next day tuna assume kwamba tunataka tuone siku inayofuata inakuja either to take this liquidity or this liquidity, you understand, that's how market move. So the next day we see, ambayo ni hii hapa ilikuwa ni siku ya Alhamisi, we see the next day came down here, okay, it came down here and it took this liquidity, okay. So this level here was broken right here, okay. So if this level was broken, it means now price imetupa new low, which is this one. This is now a new low down here, okay. So now we focus with this low and this high, kwa sababu hii high ilikuwa bado haijawa broken, okay. So that's how the market move, and as you can see the next day ambayo ni Ijumaa, price actually went hard for this liquidity on the top here, okay. It went high and take this liquidity here on the top here, took this liquidity, okay. So if this liquidity here in the top was taken, it means now this is sio valid high, now we have a new high out here, okay. We have a new high up here, okay. So we see, so if this is a new high now, it means if this is a new high, okay. So before price haija make this move to the high, in the next day kwanza price ilianza to take this liquidity down here, as you can see price ilikuja right here down here, okay, and take this liquidity again, okay. So this liquidity down here was taken and then there was no other liquidity here, so that's why price can move up here to take this high. Now if this high is taken, what do you expect? So this is the only high and this is the low, okay. So we assume that now price ina target this low. So as you can see siku ya Ijumaa price ikaja take this low again down here, liquidity. So liquidity like this one. So every low and every high juu yake above kuna liquidity. So this low was taken here. So kama this low was taken here, it means we have a new low here. Okay, we have a new low here. My network is not fast enough. So we have a new low here. So where do we focus on? The only liquidity left is this one up here. Okay, this one is not touched yet. So we think today, which is Monday today, price is going to take this liquidity here. Okay, price is going to take this liquidity here because this high, this low yeah yesterday it was already taken. So this is how you analyze the market kwa kutumia liquidity au resting orders. If you understand this, it will help you in your career for in the future, na itakusaidia kuondoa noise na kukupa clarity, na actually itakusaidia to make more money in the market. So my name is Charles Masterplan. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we drop content like this every now and then. Okay, so welcome, join us and let us learn and grow together. See you.